Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leah, if you didn't know already. So this is a new vlog. Excuse my hair, everything. We're gonna get all that together in this vlog or whatever. I'm a little rusty right now, but what's new? I always open the vlog looking crazy. But anyways, I'm in Pearland right now, and I'm out here because I am looking to get a car. I don't know what's gonna happen today, but we're just gonna pray. We're gonna see. I was referred to this guy, so yeah, we're gonna pray. Sorry y'all, I saw some people coming out, but we're gonna pray and we're gonna see what happens. I'm not sure yet, but we're doing that. But before I came, I need to give me a little pick me up. I got me a caramel frappe from McDonald's. I prefer Starbucks, but I'm out here in Pearland, and for some reason none of the Starbucks or none of the McDonald's, no, not McDonald's, but none of the Starbucks had a drive-through, and you know the shit that's going on or whatever like that. So I had to settle for McDonald's, and bitch, the amount of caramel they put in that was very childish. So let's go and let's see what happens for you, girl. If I don't get the car or it doesn't work out for me, then apparently, you know, this wasn't the car for me. But we're about to go see, so let's go. Okay, you guys, so some crazy shit. Like, I just got some crazy news. So, you know, of course, when you're going to go get a car, they're going to pull your credit, right? So he pulls my credit and he tells me that, excuse my blue mouth too, y'all, I was eating an airhead. But so he tells me that I have a repossession that happened last month on the 15th with the Capital One Bank. I have never signed anything or opened anything with anything Capital One. I haven't had a car on my own in 2 years. And the car that I had 2 years ago, I bought cash, like, wasn't no financing. So I'm highly confused. I'm trying to figure out who used my information, who used my name, and did not tell me, notify me, ask me. Like, this is like my life, basically. Like, this is like my business that's being played with. And I'm just confused, and I really want to know what the fuck happened. So of course, you know, I called Capital One and they transferred me to who I need to talk to, but they said that they're so busy right now with, you know, everything's going on, that they're not accepting any calls. So she said that she advised me to call. Oh yeah, my hair looks crazy, but she said that she advises me to call first thing Monday morning. They open at 10 o'clock, so I definitely will be on the phone at 10 o'clock. And it's so crazy because everything was going good until he told me that. So this is one thing, I swear, like, I hate being an adult. Like, I hate adulting. I hate signing papers. I just hate everything about adulting and trying to do things on your own. But this is a part of it. Buying a car, cars and stuff is so stressful to me because, y'all, I've had a lot of cars. Like, I'm not even gonna get into it. We'll talk about all of that shit later. But you know what? I'm not gonna stress about it though. Whatever it is, I'm not gonna stress about it because I know that I didn't sign anything. So I know that, you know, it can be disputed and it could be fixed. It's gonna be a process that I shouldn't have to take because I didn't do this. But you know what? Like I said, I'm not gonna stress about it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue our day. So I need to go to Target because I want another mask. That sheet mask I put on my face was real cute. I want another mask, and I need to look at like some makeup organizer. I miss like Marshall's and Didi's Discount and TJ Maxx. Like, I would go there for things like this, but now I have to go to Target. And I ain't gonna lie, if it's too expensive or if I can't find what I'm looking for, then I'm not gonna get it. I'm just gonna have to, you know, worry about it looking crazy or whatever. But y'all, I'm so pissed. Like, how the fuck did this happen? But anyways, so yeah. And then I need to fix the top of my ponytail. I'm not gonna redo my whole like head because the back part is still secure. It's just, you know, I gotta freshen up my ponytail part. So I'm gonna do that. You guys, I'm finna just go home. I'm hungry and I'm stressed out. Like, my mind is just crowded right now, and it's a line to get into Target, and I'm just not in the mood. Like, this is why I don't really go to stores in the daytime, especially nowadays, because the line thing I just can't get with. But I'm hungry and my brain is, I'm stressed right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Chipotle because every time I'm stressed, I go to Chipotle. Chipotle is just something about it. It eases my mind. I don't know. Every time I'm in a stressful situation, I promise, I always end up there. I don't know why, but that's where I'm going because I'm hungry and I'm confused. I'm a little irritated, and I'm gonna just try again a little later. I'm gonna eat and try again. Can I get a little pico? Hot sauce, corn, extra sour cream, cheese, and lettuce. Y'all, I'm real life like all over the place. Like I walked in there, did not have my wallet. I usually ask for a little hot sauce or the red sauce, and I didn't ask for that. But I've been coming to Chipotle for years, and the fact that I didn't even get my right bowl, like, I really need to go home, take a nap because or something, because I am stressed. It's official, I'm stressed. This may be TMI, but my period is starting, and I'm always like super clumsy and stuff around this time. So I just need to, when I get like this, I just need to go home, regroup before I fuck some shit up, because that's literally what's gonna happen. Okay, so I'm back. I know I still look crazy, it's okay, but I took me a nap, I prayed, and I'm rejuvenated, I'm calm again, I feel okay. So now I'm about to take me a shower. I made it to my best friend's house because we should have tonight. We cooking, we drinking, all that shit. So yeah, but I'm about to take me a shower because I need to just wash off today and just get, you know, right, ready for the night. You know what I'm saying? Friday night, quarantining, chill or whatever. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. So it's the next day, y'all, and I'm making breakfast. Do y'all put milk in y'all eggs? If you don't, you should. It makes them fluffy. Oh. I know things. I know little things. Did you see that thing on Instagram where it was a message thread and they was talking about how the husband was mad that his wife cooked dinner early? You seen that? No. He was like complaining because she cooked dinner at like 3 o'clock, and I guess he get off like later, and he was like, great, now my food be cold. And some people was like, he's being ungrateful. But I feel like, who makes dinner at 3 o'clock? Yeah, that's too early. And then in the message, he was like, this is something I asked for. Like, so this is something he requested. You know what I'm saying? To be cooked. And you wanted to hurry up and do it. And you wanted to hurry up and do it. And she cooked it at 3 o'clock. I ain't gonna lie. And it was fried chicken. My nigga gonna be spoiled, baby. It was fried. Like, who wants to rewarm fried chicken? When you warm fried chicken, that is so nasty. Like, even if you put it in the oven, it's still like, it's not the same as fresh fried chicken. So why would why would she even do that? And it was so many like people. I was watching this girl video, and she was like, it was so many people saying like, oh, he's being ungrateful because they want to be like a pick me type of bitch. But like, it doesn't make sense to cook dinner. That's a lunch. That's a late lunch. Because, and then like in the message, I think she asked him, can he bring something home? And like she like sent a picture of the food that she cooked. So which implies that he don't get off like late, like 10 something. And you ask, you know what I'm saying? And it was pertaining to the dinner. So you started and made all the chicken, all the sides at 3 o'clock. So now when I get home, I'm gonna have to rewarm my shit. I got a cold meal. That doesn't make sense. You've been working hard, Daddy. Okay. I'll make you exactly. And then especially if she's been home all day, like if she's a stay-at-home, you know what I'm saying? We ain't fucking with like, now we don't do that type of shit over here. That makes me your man is gonna be spoiled though. With your cooking ass. Girl, I used to be addicted to these when I was a little fat kid wearing glasses. Bitch, I eat a whole box of these in one day. That's a problem. A whole box. I was 240 in the 7th grade. Really? That's a problem. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home, and girl, it's just time to get myself together. I need to do a little bit of self-maintenance. So right now, girl, I'm finna update, retouch this Quickweave girl because she needs a touch up. I got a truck that's just hanging, and I'm sure everybody can see it. That's just hanging in the back. So I'm finna retouch up that part. And then I'm gonna redo my ponytail part. And I think I wanna crimp my hair, but I don't know if I'm gonna feel like doing all that. I'm gonna see. If I don't do that, then I'm gonna straighten it for sure. Hey girl, it's time for me to do something about that because child, tomorrow is Easter. So you know how you gotta get before Easter, you gotta get yourself together. Oh y'all look, and I shaved my armpits. So we're clean again, child. I was looking like a damn werewolf. So I'm just taking a little bit of water and just softening up like any gel or anything that was like, you know what I'm saying, on my hair. Trying to put my edges down because I hate when I gel like my edges up and then I can't really get them to come back down. Then I'm gonna take me a little bit of Bean. I'm like running out of this stuff. The black one, just a little bit, like that much. I don't be wanting it to be like too hard or whatever. I'm gonna put that all over the sides. Now I'm gonna take me my spritz, my favorite thing in the world, and spray generous amounts. Do the whole thing. Maybe it'll last longer since I'm redoing the whole thing. Let's just redo the whole thing. Okay. Make it easier on myself probably. I just redid the whole thing.
Dreamliners gang.
Okay, boom. Hair is pretty much done again. Okay, we not looking dirty no more. Girl, I thought the camera was recording this whole time and it was not. But oh, I look so much better since I like redid my hair. I need to put my scarf on so my edges can lay a little flatter, but that's besides the point. So I'm about to do my nails. I got the, you know, the kiss press-ons. They're like this, the little pink ones. These used to be my favorite because they're just like little and cute and just classy looking. The long press-ons are cute, but on me, I prefer the shorter ones. And then the long ones don't last on me just because of like where I work. So the short ones have a better chance. So right now I'm just roughening up my nail bed so they can last a little longer. Y'all, I used to do this press-on shit. When I took that little break of getting my nails done, I used to do this shit. Okay, y'all, so here are my nails. They're so like cute and classy. Let me put my ring on. What the fuck? How did... See, you... That's what I mean when I need to organize this table, bitch. It's that bad. Put on my rings. But child, I'm not finna do nothing else. I'm just about to chill, edit, because this vlog is gonna go out tonight. So I'm just finna chill, edit. I know this vlog probably wasn't really much worth of shit. If you made it this far, comment a heart down below because you made it this far. And yeah, y'all, I don't know, sorry if this vlog was kind of boring, but you know, there's not much going on in these times, not much to do. So yeah, I mean, hope you still enjoy fucking with me, you know, for what it's worth. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I will see you guys later. Hope you guys are having a good day. When you guys will see this, it'll be before Easter, so I hope you have a good Easter. Let me know, what are you planning to do, since we have to do Easter a little bit different? Do you celebrate Easter? Do you celebrate Resurrection Sunday? All of that. Yeah. But yeah, I'll just see you guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I love you.